Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create anti-bad words command in your discord.js version 14 bot.
If you want the code of this video or any video or full playlist of mine, then you can visit my Patreon and become our member. If you are become our member, then you will get a lot of benefits. You will get access to Discord and source code of premium channels. You will get premium role and many more. And I have managed everything well on the Patreon. The collection has also been created, so you can also access the entire collection. Hey friends, if you enjoy my content and want to stay updated with all my latest videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Your support means a lot to me and helps me grow. Thank you.
So let's start creating our anti-bad words command now. Now let's start the bot and test it. So I have come to my testing server. Now I will add a word for testing, and you can see it has been added here. And it has also been added to our list. Now I switch my Discord ID, and we will send this word to the server and see. So as you can see, it deleted my word and has also sent me a warning in DM. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share.